Hello guys, what's up? Sir Gian again here. So welcome to our number system lecture series. So in this episode of our lecture series, we're going to discuss how to convert an octal number going back to decimal number. So the lecture series will be delivered in Filipino English language to further assist the learners to grasp the knowledge efficiently. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay. So what if now ngayon daw, meron tayong octal, gagawin natin siyang decimal. Okay. So let's just reuse the solved problems and then mapakita ko lang sa inyo paano siya kino-convert into one form to another. So ngayon, octal naman gagawing decimal. So tapos na tayo sa decimal, decimal going to binary, decimal going to octal, decimal going to hexa, tapos na yon. So tapos na rin tayo sa binary going to decimal, binary going to octal, and binary going to hexa. So ngayon, octal to decimal naman. Okay. So say for example, we have 1663 again. Okay. The octal number. So how do we do that if we need to convert that to base 10? Actually, you don't need to convert that back to binary or gawin yung mag-continuous multiplication kayo ng, for example, 3 times 8 raised to 0, 6 times 8 raised to 1, 6 times 8 raised to 2, 1 times 8 raised to 3, and then incremental and incremental. My goodness! Siya! Ang haba na naman ng solution niyan. Okay. So, of course, to simplify the solution, yung tinuro ko sa inyong doubling kanina nung sa may decimal, it is still applicable here. So, we're still going to use the principle of doubling. Okay. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng doubling dito. So, di ba, anong ginawa natin kanina? Etong mga nakahilerang numerong ito, sinulat natin siya ng patayo. So, therefore, we will write this again as 1, 6, 6, 3. Then plus ito, plus ito, plus ito, plus ito, and then yung base. So, 8, 8, 8, 8, and then times. Just like with base 2, default is 0. Okay. Ganon ulit. 0 times 8 is 0 plus 1, so this would be 1. 1 times 8 is equal to how many? So that is equal to 8 plus 6, so 14. 14 plus 8 plus 6 is equals to 78. And then 70, and then, I'm sorry, not 78, but rather 118. So 118 times 8 plus 3 would then be equal to 947, which is now our final answer. So nakita nyo, di ba? So applicable pa rin sa kanya kahit na iba yung kanyang base. So if you're going to look dyan sa sa nakasunod sa mga to, okay. If you're going to look over there, di ba? So same principle, nangyari lang, pinalitan natin tong mga to ng 8 instead of 2. And then, yung mga ito, yun pa rin yung mga number dun sa may kada isang place ng ginagamit natin na base. Okay. So, i-try natin dun sa may other two examples na solve natin. And let's just resolve that para mapakita ko sa inyo paano ang conversion. Alright. So, let's try again 265. It's not base 10, but rather base 8. So, 265. So, gano'n ulit. Let's write 2, let's write 6, and let's write 5. Okay. And then plus, 8, 8, 8, then times, and times. Ito by default, 0. So, 0 times 8 is 0. Ito magiging 2. Right, 2 here, 2 times 8 is 16 plus 6. So that's equal to 22. 22 times 8 plus 5 is then equal to 181 base 10. Then nakuha na natin ngayon yung pinaka conversion niya sa decimal. Easy, isn't it? Okay. So pag nahihirapan na, isasabi ko lagi at the end of the video, ulit-ulitin ninyo hanggang sa makuha nyo bakit naging ganon. Pero pag hindi nyo talaga makuha ng ganon, hirap pa rin kayo. So you can consult me synchronously or asynchronously. Alright, let's have the last one. So what about 5056? Which is also one of our examples kanina. So, converting to base 10. So, ganun ulit. Gawin natin patayo ito. So, 5, 0, 5, 6. Then, plus, and plus. 8, 8, 8, and 8. Then, times, and times. By default, 0. 0 times 8 is 0 plus 5. So, that would be 5. By rule of PEMDAS. Then 5 times 8 is 40 plus 0, so still 40. 40 times 8 plus 5, so that's equal to, 5 ba? Ayan naman tayo. 40 times 8 times 5, napagwaliktad ko na naman. Okay. So 40 times 8 times 5, 40 times 8 plus 5, so that's equal to 325. And then 325 times 8 plus 6, equals to 2606 base 10. And that is now the answer. Okay. What if you're going to use the exact example na ginamit natin kanina, which is 5065? Okay. So, let's try that. 5065. So, dun lalabas ngayon yung tamang sagot. So, 5065. Base 8 converting to base 10. Ayan. So, write natin ulit siya ng pa-vertical. 5065. Actually, minsan nasadya ko yun na baliktarin. Okay. To see if you're paying attention sa ating video. Okay. So, plus dito. And then yung 8. And then times. And then 0 by default. 0 times 8 is 0, times 5, so still 5. 5 times 8 plus 0, so that is 40. 40 times 8 plus 6, so that is 326. And then 326 times 8 plus 5, dun ngayon lalabas yung ating base na sagot, which is 2,613 base 10. Okay. And that is now our answer. So that concludes the episode of this episode of our lecture series, and I hope you learned something new in this video. So if you're having a hard time learning the process of solving these problems, you may repeat the lecture video again and again until you can finally learn how it is done. And if in case you have questions that cannot be answered by just replaying the video, you can reach out to me to all my possible need you, and I'm also available synchronously during the class hours. So happy learning. So see you on the next episode of our lecture series.